I still feel that I'm scared of your first note because you seem not confident to get that note down. So if your arm's up, you gotta remember the arm needs to be up to get that note to sound every time. You want it to be very soft.
Yeah.
But if you're down here, you just don't know what's gonna come out on that first note. Up a little, and you're gonna feel confident that you're gonna get the sound out. That still didn't feel good. All right, what is it? It's put the finger on the key, push in. So right out at the edge of the key. There. Now push from here, push for your arm. And just see if you don't feel more confident that that note will go down. Try it again. If you push from your arm, do you feel like you know that it's going to go down?
Yeah.
Good. Make it a little more, Make it go evenly up. Don't change your tempo in the right hand. Once you get it going, have it go right to the top. I wouldn't even slow up. Yeah, because that wants to go to here. So you don't want to slow down in order to continue. So your biggest issue, I thought that was good, except right here, you're losing your strength. You're not quite enough. Get that elbow out a little bit. Your elbow still could go out more. Look at it. Yeah, look and you'll see. There. Don't hear where that, I know you're playing this great, you're doing great, and then I don't even know where it goes because I can't hear you go to there. So that D is just paramount. Okay.
Is it just that I'm being too loud in the left hand?
It's just that you don't play it strong enough in the right. You just don't go for it. Why can we hear mine and not yours? Because I am playing softer in my left. I am playing softer. And I am going down stronger in my arm. So sit on it for a minute. I sit on it for a minute. Then I transfer. So I go. Do this for me. To practice doing that at home. You actually will stop before you start moving on. Little by little, let the gap decrease so that you're becoming closer and closer to playing. That's one most important notes in that whole passage is that D. It's where everything is going. It's so much softer. Or you could do decided that your left hand was less good at that, and so that's why we decided to cross over.
I'll try it.
So what you have to do if you do that is come up to 5-3. So you let's try it. Stop. Climb on that. See, you're digging in there. You're actually making your arm play louder and you're right. You're not thinking. This is what you do. You start pushing your arm in and playing louder instead of staying with your arm high. See how high I'm staying, and I'm just barely pushing in on my notes. Don't just brush that off as nothing important. Listen for it. Same. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Now, when you get here, really listen for it. To hear more of though. I'm not hearing enough of this, so the left. I need to hear that go interplay back and forth between the right hand and the left hand.
Okay, because I think before you were telling me to emphasize this.
Yeah, you want to connect those, but really the left, I feel like you're not getting your left to answer. It's like the right does this, and the left does it answers it. So look at where my arm is. Put your elbow up. There. know, so that you feel like you're going back and forth between the right hand and the left hand. Listen carefully to see that you can really hear that left hand, because that has to come out very clearly. All right, let's move on. Let's go into the development here. I feel like it's a little hot. That's a little too much. I would do, I think about going to about a mezzo forte. So now right into that. And then back down. Yes. And that's too soft. You want to be so soft. All right, so you can't afford that. So keep your pedal down. Move your hands so they're in position before you start playing that. That's all that was wrong. You didn't get ready. Okay, now while your pedal's down, get ready. Both hands. No, you left your right hand here. Get both hands while this is holding. Get both hands ready. Now while you're holding, get ready. You're still not getting your right hand down where it needs to be. When you get there, let go of your thumb. Okay, that's too, it's never going to get there. It's like it's never going to make it. Yes, go to there. Okay, so if you're not, you've got to be hands on, then go. Hands on the chords. That's it. So why you miss those, why some of those don't sound, why they don't work, is because you're not prepared. You're not getting your hands in position to play them. So let yourself get ready for what you're going to do, and you'll do it right every time. But your preparation is your problem here. Okay? All right, go on from there. Here, I'm not hearing. Listen to my ride. And one thing that you're doing is you're playing this so strong here. I don't think you have to play that big here. Yes, you need to be pretty big, but this also should be bigger. Now, see, I'm ready to, I can be softer here, but I want that to, this to come out. Okay? You to play it that soft. Don't do this because that makes it louder. Yeah, treat it very delicately. So, you know, it's like you want to be careful with the notes and not hurt them. Okay, now let's get this. Just shimmer. Your hands two down like this. Raise your arm. Now shimmer for me. Just play your right hand alone.